In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your CapCut account. If you've decided that it's time to close your CapCut account, whether you're looking to simplify your digital footprint, switch to a different platform, or just take a break, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. CapCut is a powerful video editing app, but deleting your account involves a few specific steps to ensure everything is handled securely and properly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to delete your account while keeping your data and projects in mind. If you don't already have the CapCut app, you can download it from your device's app store and create an account if needed. The link to the app is in the description below. Alright, let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device. This is where all the account settings and options are located, so you'll need to access the app to manage your account. Once the app is open, log into the account you want to delete. This is an important step, especially if you use multiple accounts or devices. You'll want to ensure you're working with the correct account to avoid deleting something unintentionally. Next, look for the profile icon. It's typically located in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it to navigate to your personal profile page. This is where you can view and manage your account details. Once you're on the profile page, the next step is to access the settings menu. Look for the settings option, which is often represented by a gear or cog icon. In some versions of the app, you might not see the gear icon right away. If that's the case, check for a three-dot menu or a button labeled More. Either option will lead you to the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll through the options and locate the section labeled Account Information. Tap on it. This section is crucial because it contains all the details and controls related to your account. From here, you'll need to find the option that says Delete Account. This is the key step to initiate the deletion process. At this point, the app will display a confirmation prompt. Take a moment to review this carefully. The app does this to confirm your intent, since deleting your account is irreversible. Once the account is deleted, you'll lose access to all stored projects and data associated with it. If you have any unfinished projects or important data, make sure to save or back them up before continuing. When you're ready, click OK or Confirm to proceed with the deletion. This is the final step to confirm your decision, and it ensures that no accidental deletions occur. After you confirm, you may see a brief loading screen as the app processes your request. Once the process is complete, you'll want to verify that your CapCut account has been successfully deleted. Check to ensure the account is no longer active, which confirms that the process went through properly. And that's it. You've now successfully deleted your CapCut account. By following these steps, you ensured everything was handled securely and that you didn't lose any important data in the process. If you have any other questions about managing your CapCut account or using the app, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.